In this video, we're going to be doing an exercise great for beginners. We're going to have open fifths in the right hand on the white keys, moving up one key at a time. The left hand is going to have triad shapes in the same hand position. In this case, they're both in C, both in D, both in E, back to C. This is going to have triads. They are going to be broken triads. So from the bottom up to the top note, and then you're going to go to D, to E, to F, etc., G, A, B, C. Once we get here, a full 8 reps up, we're now around middle C, right? The pinky's on middle C. You're going to reverse the direction of the notes, so everything's going down now. The hand positions are going down, and the 3 notes also go down. The right hand member has the open fifths, and they're going to be block. 2 tones played at the same time. So here's what C is going to sound like. And then we move to the D position, the E position, F, G, A, B, C, and then you're going to reverse the direction of the left hand and bring the hand positions down. So here's the whole exercise. That's it. Pretty straightforward concepts. It's a great exercise for beginners. Have fun with that.